Could a city's sweetest mistake unleash a tidal wave of sticky doom? In 1919 Boston, a giant molasses tank ruptured, sending a wave that swallowed streets. Falling at shocking speed, the murky flood knocked people and horses aside, tore storefronts from foundations, and left a thick, choking veil over the north end. Rescuers battled the syrup with makeshift ladders, crates, and improvised pumps, while witnesses described a surreal, suffocating scene that tasted of iron and sugar. The disaster spurred reforms in tank construction and city safety, pushing regulators to mandate stronger seams, stricter testing, and faster emergency response.